दोस्तों कैन खत्म हो गया फाइनली और कुछ रिव्यूज निकाल रही हूँ चैनल पर. ये वाला स्टार्टिंग विद अ रिसाउंडिंग women telling women stories. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel where I am bringing to you more reviews from the movies I watched at Cannes Film Festival this month. Today, Grand Prix winner All We Imagine As Light by Payal Kapadia starring Kani Kusruti, Divya Prabha and Chaya Kadam in the lead roles. पायल की पिछली फिल्म अ नाइट ऑफ नोइंग नथिंग कैन में बेस्ट डॉक का अवार्ड जीती थी इन 2021. आई केम टू दैट फिल्म मच लेटर क्योंकि इंडिया में ना कभी रिलीज हुई ना कोई तरीका था उसको लीगली देखने का. Set amid student protests at FTII, that film uses voice acting as its main storytelling tool. There are no actors. The visuals are all real people doing real things, and the story of two lovers forced apart by their families because of caste plays out entirely in dramatic VO. All We Imagine As Light also starts with disembodied voices. You hear people who live in Mumbai talking about their relationship with the city. A man says he's scared of calling it his home despite spending 23 years here. And you see early मॉर्निंग विजुअल्स ऑफ अ सब्जी मंडी जहाँ से पूरे शहर में और होटलों में घरों में होलसेल के भाव पर भाजी जाती है. दिस स्ट्रेच ऑफ सिटी फील्स लाइक योर ओन किचन. इट फील्स लाइक होम. बट अनदर वॉइस रिमाइंड्स यू इंस्टेंटली ऑफ द माइग्रेंट पॉपुलेशन दैट मेक्स द बोन्स ऑफ द सिटी. Every village in India has one person who lives in Mumbai, a lady says. It becomes evident, the story that Payal then tells of three women who work in the city but are not from here is her acute observations as someone who grew up in the city. The city then sort of becomes the observer as these three lives unfold. You enter the story via Mumbai, a mother and a monster, a lover and a rival. The setting of the story almost becomes a real person, like a talking head in a documentary. Kani Kusruti is Prabha and Divya Prabha is Anu, two nurses from Kerala, both employed at the same specialty hospital in Mumbai. Prabha has moved up the ranks to become a senior staff member. Anu is still fresh. She's sincere but has a sense of naive adventure the world has not stolen from her yet. Still unaware of the hell she would likely have to go through once her Muslim boyfriend is found out, she's currently looking for every opportunity to steal kisses in a mall, at his house when the parents are away, on a beach. Prabha, mildly disapproving of Anu, wonders if she has any right to rebuke this young girl, because herself she doesn't know what love and romantic touch feel like. Her husband has abandoned her for a life in Germany. And the third is Parvati, the mess lady at the hospital. Played by Chaya Kadam, once again doling out wisdom while doling out chai. Parvati is a far cry from Lapata Ladies ki Manju Mai. While Manju chose to live outside society's rules, Parvati is forced to leave a society she desperately wants to be a part of. She's being evicted from her house because as a widow, she has no paperwork to prove ownership over the shanty she's lived in for over 20 years. Life, disillusionment और hope के तीन अलग-अलग पड़ाव पर होने के बावजूद ये तीनों walk alongside each other, not seeking revolution or change, but simply by becoming each other's practical helpers. No speeches are required. Prabha agrees to cover Anu's rent because being in her company gives her a sort of strength to perhaps pursue a romantic liaison of her own with the doctor at the hospital. Prabha helps Parvati get legal counsel because her body knows the pain of loneliness, of being alone in strife. While teaching young nurses at the hospital who gag at the sight of placenta, she sternly but kindly asks them to toughen up quick. Prabha doesn't even know when she became the embodiment of the very buttress, the very pillars she probably never had. And because kindness is infectious when you're young and impressionable, Anu has also now started to pay it forward by treating her own patients with care and genuine concern despite the depressing hospital setting. For most of the final act, the women go to Parvati's village, a sleepy area near the sea, and suddenly the screen sort of expands. It fills with brightness. The title, All We Imagine As Light, comes alive as one marvels at Ranbir Das's cinematography and his ability to control the viewers' very breathing patterns. Parvati's little Mumbai Kholi, जिसकी चारों दीवारें भी नहीं दिखाई देती कभी एक फ्रेम में, is now replaced with a house you can almost feel a breeze flow through. Prabha's apartment, where the brightest thing is a shiny new electric rice cooker, it's replaced by the beach, where she even manages to save a drowning man's life. And Anu manages to have the encounter with her boyfriend that the narrow lanes of Mumbai had denied her. Ritu Harun as the boyfriend Shayaz is the perfect wholesome king. हर चाहने वाले को मिलना चाहिए ऐसा. पायल यहाँ एज अ प्रिविलेज्ड मुंबई ड्वेलर अपनी कंप्लिसिटी पर भी पॉन्डर कर रही हैं इस फिल्म से कि कोई अपवर्ड मोबिलिटी ना होने के बावजूद जिन लोगों को इस शहर को घर बनाना पड़ता है, बीच टाउन छोड़कर टपकती हुई छतों के नीचे सोना पड़ता है, उनके प्रति शहर की कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है या नहीं. अगर उनके कागज़ नहीं है तो इस शहर में क्या कोई वजूद नहीं है? पार्वती के गांव की एक गुफा में जहां पप्पू लव्स शालू ऐसे खुदा है दीवार में, वहां किसी ने आज़ादी भी लिख दिया है बड़ा बड़ा। किस आज़ादी की डिमांड होगी ये लिखने वाले की? टू चूज़ हु यू लव, टू पिक वेयर यू लिव, टू बी फ्री फ्रॉम कैपिटलिज्म। किसी स्टूडेंट लीडर ने लिखा होगा। Or to just be able to drive by that sabzi mandi without wondering how much longer you'll be able to claim the space you occupy in the city.
തീരെ അറിയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു. ഒരു ദിവസം അച്ഛൻ വിളിച്ച് വെച്ച് വീട്ടിലോട്ട് വരാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. ഞാൻ ചെന്നപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് അവർ കല്യാണമൊക്കെ നിശ്ചയിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, all we imagine as light is 3-4 भाषाएं हर सेकंड सुनाई पड़ जाती है मुंबई की किसी भी गली में निकल जाओ आप किसी भी टाइम, which is my favorite thing about this city, जिसको मैंने 14 साल पहले अपना घर बनाया था। हिंदी और इंग्लिश मैं बोलती हूँ। What are the other languages you speak? Comments में बताओ नीचे। Okay, up next, my attempt to put some thoughts together on Megalopolis. This channel just crossed 120,000 by the way. The 150 पास में ही है, मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है। सब्सक्राइब कर लो जल्दी से। The button is right under this video. I've got so much nice coverage from Cannes for you. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.